This video will show you a few quick ways that you can customize and organize your ClassLink Launchpad. So once you're logged in, let's start at the top with these three icons. First, we have the plus sign. That opens an app library where you could add additional apps from a predetermined list of Currituck County approved resources. What you can also do here is in the top right, you have the Add App button. So if you click there, it's not truly an app. It's going to function like a bookmark or a shortcut. So if you have a bookmarks folder or a bookmarks bar, it's going to function in a very similar way, but it will live on your ClassLink Launchpad. So if that's a preferred path for you, you can set these up. You'll need to copy the link to the website you want to add an app for or a bookmark for. Title it however you see fit, and paste the link in. Then in the bottom right, you're going to click Select Icon. You could choose from any of these icons here. It's just for your own ClassLink Launchpad. You'll see, despite the titles, you can choose any icon you want. So I'm just going to search DPI and see if they have an icon already, and they do. So I'll select that one. And then in the bottom right, I'll click Add App. And there it is. The next icon is the paper and pencil. There's an Add Folder button here, but I'll circle back to that in just a moment. You can change your theme. I'm currently on Classic. This is Primary. And this is Professional. So it's really based on your preference. You can change the size of the apps. You can change the font style if you want a text background or not. And you can change your color palette. This bell is for any notifications, so you can always keep an eye on that too for any alerts. We can look at a few additional options under the Head and Shoulders icon in the top right and click Settings. You can change your default language and time format. You could click to choose a profile image avatar. Theme has those same options you saw under the paper pencil icon. You can also turn on high contrast here as well. Auto launch may be something you'd want to set up, and what it will do is automatically launch certain apps along with your ClassLink Launchpad tab when you start to use Launchpad each day. So for instance, I'm in one-to-one tech tickets a lot, so I've enabled that. So when I go to ClassLink Launchpad, the Launchpad tab will open and a one-to-one tech ticket tab will also open. And finally, let's circle back to adding folders. So you can add folders by clicking the pencil paper icon, or right-click on your Launchpad and click Add Folder. Give it a title, and choose a folder color. Click Create, and there's my folder right here. You can either click, drag, and drop into that folder, or you could right-click on an app and click Add to Folder and select the folder. You can also drag and drop to rearrange folders and apps. You can click to open those folders and rearrange within the folder. You could right-click, and you could also set auto launch on apps this way. You could move it to a different folder, or you could remove it from the folder and it will just go back to your Launchpad main screen. You could also add a subfolder within a folder. So these are just some ways that you could help stay organized and to customize your ClassLink Launchpad to fit your needs.